I think this could be an indicator of maybe where Monsters Inc. goes because of this. But so the next one is The Little Mermaid, a musical adventure that was supposed to reopen this year, has been pushed back to opening in the summer of 2025, but it is opening in the animation courtyard.
Yeah, it's taking over the old show.
Right. Mm-hmm. So to me, this signals everyone's been debating where Monsters Inc. is going to go. A lot of people wanted it in animation courtyard, and then obviously you had the people that didn't want it to go where the other proposed area supposedly is over in the Muppets area. To me, this signals that they're going to put it in the Muppets, because if they're putting this show in here, I don't see construction happening with that being there.
I wonder if they've just been quiet about it because they just want to prevent people like the diehard Muppet fans from trying to stop them or being vocal about it. I don't know.
Yeah,
I just don't want to do it.
I mean, I like from a theme park perspective, it does make sense to put it in animation courtyard. But the reason I've been hesitant all along to really buy into that is because behind that is a whole bunch of admin buildings. You've got like break rooms and just, general office space that has been there since the park was open. So to put it there, you have to tear all those down and rebuild them somewhere else. And it would take them a lot more money, and it would, I'd imagine they'd have to do that first, because you can't have a bunch of, stuff that employees use that they're no longer going to be able to use it. So it would create a lot more complication for them to do that. Mm-hmm. So, I mean, I'm not saying this is 100% the case, but that does seem like a pretty good indicator that it's not going to go here. So other than Muppets area, unless they decide to expand, which they could, but I think this probably points toward it probably going to Muppets if I were to guess.
Yeah. I mean, I still think it could go into animation courtyard and just, leave the Little Mermaid show alone and rework it to where that's not even a part of that area back there. But again,
if you look at
agree to disagree.
But if you look at the concept art, I don't see any way where that would be part of that entire area.
I'm not talking about being part. I'm talking about right now you have a little archway you walk through. So it's Disney Hollywood Studios. You walk into the animation courtyard, and the Little Mermaid show is on the left. I'm talking about leaving it there, but then making it to where I don't know, put a wall or something on the side. I don't know, to make it where it's not even a part of animation courtyard. Just completely rework that whole area, because it's going to look different anyway. So you don't have to include that building.
To me, I just don't think that would be the case. I think if Little Mermaid is coming in here, I just don't see construction in this area happening while you have that show happening, in my opinion. But obviously, I don't know, but I have to wait and see on that. But